change a thing now, there was never trust.
I checked my battery, or I started my jet ski before I left the house. I swear to you, still connected to the trickle charger for like 3 months. I don't know why I'm in this situation. It's just a horrible thing. Idiot horsey.
Her battery is deader than a doornail.
I'm riding the RXT today. I'm gonna tear this shit up. Just kidding. Hey, she goes, most people have Seadoos here, and I was like, no, a lot of people have Yamahas in the group, but I think the Seadoos are taking over. Yeah.
Go home, baby. I'll put them in the. I'll put them in the top.
You had to mess it up, and you're bumping into things.
Damn. Hey, he's got insurance. Don't worry.
For anybody who hasn't done it yet with us, whatever, and it's pretty simple. Just trying to stay safe. So keep some distance, all right? Stay back about 100 feet, give or take, maybe a little bit more.
8 hours later.
Look at these two.
We're gonna be going
and I'm gonna go and splash the shit out of them.
no, you better not.
Oh, no, we got...
What's up, y'all? So we're here at Good Times Marina on the San Jacinto in Houston, about to do a 80-mile round trip, head out to Baytown. We got Nona in the background. Nona.
Girl power.
She got her ski up and running, and she is happy. What are we waiting for? Mark? Hey, no, you want a Jello shot? Oh, you gave it up for Lynn? What's up, y'all? So we're right here in the middle of the water. We just took a little break. We're off to the Battleship right now. I don't know if y'all have seen it in my videos before, but it's always a beauty to take a look at. So here we go.